Good morning to you all guys and dear students. Today 21st August 2020 Friday. Have a nice day to you all. In poem 3rd Keeping Quiet composed by Pablo Neruda, extracts for comprehension. Question: read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Extract first: for once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Question: first, why does the poet suggest a few moments of peace and silence in the world? Answer: if we have a few moments of peace and silence in the world, we will have time for quiet introspection and will create a feeling of understanding among ourselves. Question number 2. How will suspension of all activities affect all of us? Answer: if we cease our activities for a moment, there is a chance that we can save the world, for in that moment of silence and inactivity, we would all be one. Question number 3. What does he refer to as the exotic moment? Answer: he refers to our getting together as the exotic moment. 4th, why would this togetherness cause sudden strangeness? Answer: there would be togetherness, a oneness that is most desirable for the survival of the earth and of human beings. Thus, this togetherness would cause sudden strangeness. Extract 2. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Question number 1. What does this signify? The fishermen not harming whales? Answer: the fishermen not harming whales signifies that people will not destroy wild animals and nature. Question number 2. How does the poet suggest that the idea of war and the winners in a war be made null and void? Answer: the war with chemical bombs and firearms will kill all the human beings. There will be no survivors. Now the question is, who will be ruled over by the winner? Thus, victory with no survivors has no meaning. Question number 3. How can brotherhood and friendliness be restored in the world? Answer: if the lovers of the war put on clean clothes and walk leisurely under the trees, brotherhood and friendliness can be restored in the world. There will be harmony among human beings and between man and nature. Question number 4. What does the poet mean by doing nothing? Answer: by doing nothing, the poet means not planning fighting, wars and destroying nature. Extract 3rd. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Question number 1. What does the poet suggest and what he refutes? Answer: the poet suggests to be silent and keep still for a moment. He refutes the idea of total inactivity. Question number 2. What is life? Answer: life is action. To work in fields and factories is necessary to sustain life. Question number 3. What does the poet mean to have no truck with death? Answer. By the expression to have no truck with death means the poet refuses to associate with death. Yes, students, note down these three extracts for comprehension from this poem in your fair notebook and have practiced these all stanza based on question answers well. After this, tomorrow we will come with the next two extracts from this poem. Up to then, have a nice day. Keep your study, continue well. Thank you.